Another day, another story. Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the top 3 online earning apps that you need to try today. If you're looking for ways to earn some extra cash on the side, then keep watching. Body. First up, we have Swagbucks. This app pays you for doing simple tasks like watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. You can even earn cashback on your purchases through this app. It's free to sign up, and you can start earning right away. Plus, they offer a $10 bonus when you sign up using my referral link in the description below. Next, we have Fope. This app pays you for your photos. If you're a photographer or you just love taking pictures, then Fope is the app for you. All you need to do is upload your photos to the app, and if someone likes it, they'll buy it from you. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $100 per photo. It's a great way to turn your hobby into a side hustle. Last but not least, we have user testing. This app pays you to test websites and apps. All you need to do is sign up and start testing. You'll be given a task to complete on a website or app, and you'll need to record your screen and voice as you complete the task. You can earn up to $60 per test, and it's a fun and easy way to make some extra cash. Conclusion: there you have it, folks, the top 3 online earning apps that you need to try today. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or you want to turn your hobby into a side hustle, these apps are a great place to start. Don't forget to sign up using my referral links in the description below for some extra bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.